Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gula Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So my dear students, today I am here with a new chapter number 10. The name of this chapter is Verbs. So we are going to study about verbs from your English grammar book. So students, first of all, do you know what are verbs? So students, what can you do? You can jump, sleep, eat, play, smile, sit, run, walk, scream, read, write and talk. So all of these words are verbs. So the definition for verb is a word that tells us what a person, an animal or a thing does is called a verb. We also called verb as doing verbs or action word. An action verb is a word that shows an action. So let's begin this chapter and circle the action words. So students, look at the words that is given here. You have to encircle the action word. The first one is pen. So it is not an action word, it is a name of anything or name of a thing. So let's come to the next word, that is write. So write is an action word. It shows that a person is doing something, it means writing. So you have to circle the word write. Next one is noodles. So noodles is not an action word. The next one is candy. Candy is not also an action word. The next one is cook. So cook is an action word. So you have to circle the word cook. Now let's come to the next one, eat. Eat is an action word. You have to circle the word eat. The next one is jump. It is also an action word. So you have to circle the word jump. The next one is shirt. So it is not a action word. The next one is sleep. Sleep is an action word. You have to circle the word sleep. The next is phone. So phone is not an action word. So let's come to the next one, that is shout. So it is also an action word. So you have to circle the word shout. The next one is cartoon, book. Both of them are not a action word. The word laugh and talk is an action word. So you have to circle the both word laugh and talk. Now read these sentences. A mother teaches French. Meeta draws picture on her school magazines. So students, in the first sentence, my mother teaches French. So the word teaches that is written with red ink is a verb. And in the second sentence, Meeta draws picture for her school magazine. So here the word draws is an verb. So do you know the definition of verb? A verb is a word that tells us what a person, an animal or a thing does. Now look at the next sentence. The fruit vendor sells fresh fruit every morning. So students, the fruit vendor sells. The word sells is an verb. In these sentences, the word teaches, draws and sells tell us what Mother Meeta or the fruit vendor does. So students, as you know, as I tell you that the word teaches, draws and sells are verbs because they tell us what a mother, Meeta and fruit vendor does. You have learned that these are action words or doing words. So students, now you have learned that these are action words or doing words. They tell us what a person, an animal or thing does. The words are also called verbs. Now look at these pictures. Write the correct verb in the blanks. Use words from the box. So students, now look at this picture. You have to write the correct verb in the blank with the help of words that is given in the box. So look at the first picture. What a boy is doing? He is swimming. So here you have to write swim. In the next picture, two boys are dancing. So here you have to write dance. The verb for this picture is dance. Now look at the next one. The baby is drinking a milk. So the verb for this picture is drink. You have to write drink. Now let's look at the next picture. Here a man is driving a car. So here the verb is drive. So here you have to write drive. In next picture, a boy is reading. So here verb is read. In next one, birds are flying. So the verb for this picture is fly. Now look at the next picture. A boy is playing. So here you have to write play. P-L-A-Y, play. Now look at the last picture. The girl is sleeping. So the verb for this picture is sleep. Now let's practice. Question number A. Underline the verbs in these sentences. So students, in these sentences you have to underline the verb. The first one is Neha plays the violin every Sunday. So students, here the word plays tells that Neha is playing violin every Sunday. So the verb for this sentence is plays. So you have to underline the word plays. Now let's come to the next sentence. My father studied hard to become an architect. So here the verb is studied because here the father is studying. It means the verb is studied. The next one is Virat paints a beautiful landscape on a canvas. So here verb for this sentence is paints. You have to underline the word paints. The next one, look at the next one. Beena tells funny stories. So here verb for this sentence is tells. You have to underline the word tells. Now look at the fifth sentence. It rains heavily in the monsoon season. So the verb for this sentence is rains. You have to underline the word rains. Now let's come to the sixth sentence. Mohan watches television in the evening. So here verb for this sentence is watches. You have to underline the word watches. Now let's come to the seventh one. Kartik listens to classical music. So in this sentence the word listens is verb. So you have to underline the word listens. Now let's come to the eighth sentence. Mr. Ray teaches English at the university. So here the word teaches is verb. You have to underline the word teaches. Now let's come to the ninth one. Seema's uncle cooks delicious pasta. So the verb for this sentence is cooks. You have to underline the word cooks. Now let's come to the last sentence. He is reading an interesting book on birds. So the word for this sentence is reading. You have to circle the word reading. Now your exercise is completed. I hope you understand about verb and the exercises related to this topic. You have to write this in your fair copy and you have to learn the definition of verbs and example of verbs. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.